Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a 12-year-old boy named Okeem Godson. Okeem was not your ordinary child. He was a prodigy when it came to videography arts. While most kids his age were busy playing video games or riding bikes, Okeem spent his afternoons experimenting with an old camcorder that he had saved up for months to buy. Okeem's bedroom resembled a mini film studio, plastered with posters of famous directors and musicians. He often recorded mini documentaries about the world around him, capturing footage of birds dancing in the trees or the bustling life of his neighborhood. His teachers noticed his passion and talent, encouraging him to explore his creativity further. Okeem excelled in his classes, using his skills to create engaging presentations that wowed both his peers and teachers. As Okeem grew, so did his talent. By the time he graduated from high school, he had already garnered local recognition for his captivating videos. He received a scholarship to a prestigious college specializing in film and media arts, where he honed his craft even further, learning advanced techniques and networking with industry professionals. After graduating with top honors, Okeem's big break came when he created a music video for a rising pop star, showcasing not just the artist's talent, but also telling a compelling story through stunning visuals. The video quickly went viral, launching Okeem into the spotlight as the go-to video creator for top and aspiring artists alike. Okeem's success did not stop there. He traveled far and wide, collaborating with musicians across genres, from soulful ballads to electrifying hip-hop. His unique ability to capture the essence of each artist made his work highly sought after. Okeem's journey, which began with a simple camcorder and a child's imagination, transformed into a successful career that inspired countless young creatives. Years later, Okeem remembered those early days fondly, always grateful for the support of his teachers and the community that believed in him. He vowed to mentor aspiring filmmakers in his hometown, sharing his knowledge and igniting the same passion in others that had once burned so brightly within him. In the world of videography, Okeem Godson was not just a name. He was a beacon of inspiration for dreamers everywhere.